How to rest like a pro. Hey you! Yes, you! Scrolling endlessly and thinking you are resting? Oh yeah, I'm talking to you. Let me tell you a secret. Come closer. Oh, bring that ear close to me, you lazy being. You don't even know how to rest properly. Yup, shocking? I know. We live in a world where being busy is a flex. But real talk? Being tired all the time is not cute. Neither is burning out and calling it a hustle culture. See, let me break it to you straight. Resting is not just laying in bed scrolling TikTok for 4 hours. Rest is not binging 7 seasons of a Netflix series in one night. Rest is not sleeping for 12 hours straight and still waking up tired. That's called escaping, not resting. Big difference, bro. Real rest is a skill if you learn it. Oh man, you'll feel like a brand new human. Fresh, alive, focused, unstoppable. So, how do you rest like a pro? Let me give it to you straight. Rest is not just physical, it's mental as well. Sometimes your body is on the bed, but your mind is running marathons. Thinking about your ex, your bills, your to-do list from 2009? Real rest means calming that monkey mind you have. But how can you do this? You can do journaling, breathing exercises, 5 minutes of complete silence, or my personal favorite, doing absolutely nothing without feeling guilty. Yes, just sit and stare at the ceiling. Let your brain breathe. I forgot to mention, there's more than one type of rest. Starting from the most common one, that is physical rest, where you sleep, take naps, and do stretching or massage. Second is mental rest, where you declutter your thoughts. Then comes the emotional rest. That means saying no without guilt. Oh yeah, I know it's a bit difficult, but not impossible. So buckle up. Here comes the most necessary, social rest. That can be achieved by staying away from energy-draining people. Trust me, you'll feel so calm. The most peaceful rest is sensory rest that you could get by switching your phone down, turning the lights off, and keeping the silence around you. It's meditational. The last one is for the artists like you, and we call it creative rest. You can take nature walks, do your favorite art, or listen to your favorite music. Now tell me, buddy, when was the last time you gave yourself even one type of all these rest? Exactly! That's why you still feel tired after a weekend of doing nothing. You treat rest like a trophy. I rest when I finish this project. I rest when I hit that target. I rest when I have time. The bad news is that time never comes. But the good news is you can create that time for yourself. For you, rest might be reading a book, watering plants, watching sunsets, cooking slowly, playing with a pet, listening to calming music, taking a long hot shower. Rest guilt-free. Because let me tell you, a well-rested mind and a well-rested body is your biggest flex in a world full of tired zombies. So, the next time someone asks you, "Bro, what are you doing?" just smile and say, "I am resting like a pro." And that's the real power move. Where are you going? Try it today. Put your phone down for 10 minutes after this video. Breathe, stretch, and do nothing. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now stop being clingy. It's a temporary goodbye. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, rest buddy. Rest like a pro. Ta-da!